Good day everyone, welcome to Baguio City. Today is February 14. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. Today we're gonna go to Binalonan, Pangasinan. So I can't speak that much, my tooth is painful. But we're gonna travel going to Binalonan, Pangasinan. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. More blessings to all of us. Join us in our trip. Let's go. I just cleaned the windshield. Going to Binalonan.
You're bad at driving.
Sige na kasi, use it lang ba eh.
I am!
Do not shout. Your mommy will be distracted.
Mommy, I think you're the... Mommy, I think you're the... Super. I think you're...
Traffic going down to Baguio.
Outpost.
Traffic going up to Baguio also.
Outpost. Legions. The wooden mansion.
Ano daw?
Hindi ko alam. Traffic going down to Baguio. Traffic going up.
Sorry.
Naliroute tayo. Traffic doon.
Oh my goodness. Bakit to ayaw niyang mag-forward? Siyempre.
That the little... Kasi, what girl?
You can. I want to call Bill, but I can. I will be like. I want to be only 18 for the
Sana kaya? Sana kaya?
Because I can also.
Tayo lang kasi. Buti
Kaya
sana kung
siya.
maraming pinareroute, no?
Oo, bakit tayo lang kasi?
Pero anyway, baka traffic na traffic pa rin sila dun sa taas. Diba?
My wheel can only go to 1 and 20.
Tayo mag-stroll.
It's 20 fast. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100,
Tuba.
112, 140, 160, 100, 100.
Mag-stroll tayo. Okay.
Look at the field.
God, goodbye po.
Look at that, the grass. Look at the grass.
Bakit kaya sila ganyan? Ang sikip din. Pag
So,
ganito
that's
ngayon na
the
hindi mo alam
walls
yung
to
daan,
put it there.
hindi ka makapagmabilis.
And the wall spot.
Tapos tingnan mo, ano, tawag dito. Hindi mo sure eh. Baka mamaya biglang masikip, biglang maluwang. Diba?
Asan na yung sinusundan natin?
Sige, mauna ka. Bunggo. Joke na.